So we need to differentiate between three terms: speed, velocity, and acceleration. So the first term we're going to look at is speed. We think of speed as being how fast an object is moving, but really it is the relationship between the distance the object travels and the time it takes to travel. So we have calculated that using this formula, speed is equal to distance divided by time. Now when we write the speed, the unit must include two components because it's distance and time. So you need to make sure that your units match. So you need to have something for distance and something for time, such as meters per minute, kilometers per hour, or centimeters per second. Velocity is similar to speed. It is actually speed with a direction. That is the only difference. There must be a direction. So if we think about it, the car could be traveling 50 kilometers per hour, and that would be its speed. But if it's traveling 50 kilometers per hour north, now we're talking about its velocity, so speed with a direction. Now you could use a vector to represent the direction, just like we did with force. The vector is the arrow that represents the size and direction of the velocity. So when we apply a force, we could cause an object to speed up, slow down, or change direction. What we're talking about is acceleration. So when you apply a force and it changes the speed or the direction, what you're really changing is the velocity of the object. So any change into the motion is changing velocity. So a change in velocity is called acceleration. Now with acceleration, there is only one unit. We are going to measure it in meters per second, but it's best represented by meters per second squared. So any change in motion, speed up, slow down, or change direction. So if we look, falling objects fall at the same rate. Their rate of acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. Other examples of acceleration would include stepping on the brakes. That's going to cause the car to slow down. That's an acceleration. Pedaling faster, increase in speed, is an acceleration. If you drop your lunch tray, it has changed direction. That is an acceleration. A dog chasing its tail is changing speed, it's changing direction, so it is changing its velocity, so that is an acceleration. So in simple terms, remember, speed is distance and time. Velocity is speed with direction, and any change to velocity, speed up, slow down, or change directions, is an acceleration.